Þegar þú löst nú að það bara aðeins á honum, ekki leiða honum að drifla.
Don't they know that I'm gone? They know I'm space shuttle level. They need oxygen, John. Don't they know that I'm gone? Don't they know that I yawn? Only time they exciting is when they mention the Sean. You seen single white female when she got her hair blonde. Sometimes I look at these rappers, the movie remind me of them. Somebody turn these boys off. Don't they know that I'm on? Can't they see that it's foolish to try to kill me with songs? What the fuck are they yarning? You killing me softly. You talk me to death. Only thing you could do, Tom. I open the door for them. What else can I do? These niggas want me to walk for them. Somebody talk to them before I go off on them.
They want me to fall from the top. They want me to drop. They want me to stop. They want me to go. I'm already gone. Sitting I'm already home.
Hey, I'm already home. Hey, I'm already home. Hey, I'm already home. I told them about fish scale. They want me to fish for them. They want me to catch clean. They cook up the dish for them. All of this just for them. Oh, they got a diss for him. They want me to disappear like it's gon' shit for them. They say that I'm in the way. They want me to sit for them. But what they admitting is they ain't got shit for him. And really the fact is we not in the same bracket, not in the same league. Don't shoot at the same baskets. Don't pay the same taxes. Hang with the same bitches. So how am I in the way? What is it I'm missing? Nigga, I've been missing. Nigga, I've been gone. The shit that you just witnessed is sin. I've been on. And as for the critics, tell me I don't get it. Everybody can tell you how to do it, they never did it. Now these niggas is mad. Oh, they call me a camel, but I'm master the drought. What the fuck, I'm an animal. Half man, half mammal. My sign is a sag. This is just what I plan to do. Oh, don't be mad.
Oh, they want me to fall from the top. They want me to drop. They want me to stop. They want me to go. I'm already gone. Sitting I'm already home.
Hey, I'm already home. Hey, I'm already home. Hey, I'm already home. I'm in the hall already, on the wall already. I'm a work of art, I'm a wall hall already. On another level, on another plane already. HOV, I got my own lane already. I done cooked up the rock already. So why the fuck can't y'all get hot already? Put your name in the pot already. Niggas compare me with Biggie and Pac already. Like I'm gone already. And I am, nigga, I'm already home already.